Welcome to the MOOC course on Abhidhamma. Now we are going to discuss an introduction to the Kusal Kamma Path. This module aims to discuss 10 immoral qualities called Akusal Kamma Path. Here there are three component parts: Akusal, Kam and Path. Akusal means immoral, Kam means actions and Path means manifestation. Therefore, Akusal Kamma Path indicates the sense of the manifestation of the immoral actions. We understand that the action is volition as the statement of the Buddha, Chetanaham Bhikkhave Kammam Badami. It appears in the form of consciousness as well as action. When it appears in the form of consciousness, there are only 12 types of Kamavachar Akusal Kamma. When it appears in the form of action, there are three big divisions of immoral actions, namely 3 physical, 4 vocal and 3 mental. When we speak of Akusal Kamma Path, we speak about the 10 types of immoral actions. They are the Panatipata, killing, Adinnadana, stealing, Kamesu Kam Michachara, committing sexual misdeeds, Musavada, telling lie, Pisuna Vacha, slandering, Farusa Vacha, using harsh speech, Samphalapa, using ignoble gossip, Abhijja, greed, Vyapad, ill will, Michhaditti, wrong views. Now we are going to discuss each Akusal Kamma Path. The first is the Panatipata. Acharya Buddha Ghosh has given a fine exposition of each of the 10 types of immoral actions. He says that killing means Panabadha, Panghat. What is this Pana? It means living being. In ordinary sense, we name it a being. In real sense, it refers to the factors Pan Badho, Pan Ghato, Ti Bhuttam Hoti, Pano Ti Chet Boharato, Satto Paramathato Jiviti Indriyam. Therefore, Panatipata or killing is a type of volition of destruction, Badhaka Chetana. There should be a living being. One should be conscious of Jivit Indriya therein, and there should be the arising of the Chetana for destruction. The great commentator Acharya Buddha Ghosh says, Jivit Indriyasya Upchedo Dwaranam Ayatar Vadanam Pavatta Badhaka Chetana. There are 5 constituents in connection with the materialization of killing. First, there should be a being. Second, there should be a consciousness that there is a being. Third, the volition of a killing. Fourth, effort. And the fifth, destruction of the Jivitindriya. Acharya Buddha Ghosh says, Tasya Pancha Sambhara Hunti Panam Panatipata Badhaka Chittam Upkammo Ten Marnam Ti. Again, there are 6 types of application of destruction of life of the being. First, one who can do by his own hand, Sakka Athiko. Second, one can order other to deprive one from the life. Third, one can throw some weapon on, thereby destroy the life. And fourth, one can make some permanent device, Thavaro. Fifth, there is some cunning plot for destruction. And the sixth, one can also do it by supernatural power, which is called as Iddhimayo. Thus, the killing may be materialized in the 6 ways: Chhapayoga, Sahathika, Achantiko, Nisaggiyo, Thavara, Bijjamayo, Iddhimayoti, Imasmim, Panathe, Vithiyaman Mano, Ati Papancha Hoti. Again, killing may be severe sin or ordinary one with reference to the being concerned. If it is with reference to the virtuous man, it is very simple, but it is a lesser virtuous man, if it will be lesser sinful. Among the birds and the beasts, it is little simple with respect to a small creature, and great simple a respect of bigger creature. Even there are persons who are equal virtuous, but there is one who has destroyed the kilesas to a greater extension, and one has done to the lesser extension. Therefore, in case of killing, a man who has destroyed to a kilesas the greater extension, it will be greater sin. Killing of a man who has destroyed kilesas to lesser degree is a lesser sin. In this way, killing has been explained. Second is adinadan. The word has got three parts: a, din and adan. A means not, din means given, and adan means taking. It means taking what is not given, which means stealing. We name stealing as immoral deed. The text says, Parasa haranam theyam choratika buttam hoti tat adinnamti paragahitam jath pare jatha kammam ti apajante adinnam anupajye va hoti. Here there should be at least three things which belongs to the other. There should be understanding that those things belong to other, and a volitional activity arising at any one of the three doors to take the thing and actually taking. Therefore, adinadan is the name of taking volitional activity appearing at any one of the three doors with reference to a particular thing which belongs to somebody else. Therefore, the author says, Tadadaya kayopanna kamasa muttapika theya chetana adinadanam. There are five constituents which should be taken consideration in case of materialization of stealing. First is the paraparigahita. There should be a thing of belonging to somebody else. Second is paraparigahit sait. Understanding of a king of thing which belongs to somebody else. Third is theya chittam. Consciousness of stealing. Fourth, upakammam, effort of stealing. Fifth, ten harana, taking of the thing. The six applications are the same as are available in case of killing. Again, here there is a consideration of degrees of the seal. It is generally determined on the basis of the thing which is taken with reference to the sequence. If it has a little value in preservation of a life, it is lesser sin than that which has greater value in preservation of the light. The things taken of course are a sinful act, but the degree of the sin depends the person from where it has been taken.